Is your budget keeping you from the most powerful AI on the planet? Stop paying that $20 monthly fee because there are hidden ways to unlock the full power of the GPT 5.3 models without reaching for your wallet. Welcome back to TechVibes. Usually users get stuck on the free tier because OpenAI doesn't advertise their trial programs. But in 2026, they have expanded their partner offers and referral systems to compete with other tech giants. Let's get your account upgraded right now with these 10 advanced solutions. Step 1. Check your email for an official referral link. Every current Plus subscriber can now generate a unique invite that grants a 14-day free trial. If you have a friend who pays for the service, ask them to send you an invite from their settings menu to get instant access. Step 2. Use the retention loophole. If you have ever been a subscriber in the past, navigate to the cancellation page in your account settings. Many users in 2026 are reporting that OpenAI offers one free month of service as a stay with us gift during the final checkout step. Step 3. Sign up for the Microsoft Rewards program. Since Microsoft is a major partner, you can now redeem your search points for ChatGPT Plus gift cards or direct subscription credits. It takes about 3 minutes of searching a day to earn a free month of the high-tier plan. Step 4. Apply for the US K-12 Educator Program. If you are a verified teacher in the United States, OpenAI is currently offering a full year of ChatGPT Plus for free until June 2027. You simply need to verify your institutional email through their educational portal. Step 5. Look for the ChatGPT Go regional promotion. OpenAI recently launched a lower tier plan, and in certain regions like India and parts of Europe, they are offering a 12-month free trial of the Go tier, which includes the advanced reasoning models found in Plus. Step 6. Use the mobile app trial. Download the ChatGPT app on your iPhone or Android device and check the upgrade menu. OpenAI frequently runs A/B tests where new mobile users see a 7-day free trial that isn't available on the desktop website. Step 7. Join the OpenAI developer platform. New accounts often receive up to $18 in free API credits. While this isn't the Plus dashboard, it lets you use the GPT 5.3 thinking model for free through the developer playground. Step 8. Check your premium carrier benefits. Check your premium carrier benefits. Some mobile providers and internet companies are now bundling ChatGPT Plus with their high-end data plans. Check your My Verizon or T-Mobile Tuesdays app to see if a redemption code is waiting for you. Step 9. Set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8. Sometimes promotional banners for free trials are blocked by local internet provider filters. Using Google's DNS ensures you see every official OpenAI offer as soon as it hits your region. Step 10. Participate in the Australia or Colombia student referral program. If you are an eligible student in these regions, you can get 1 month of Plus for every person you refer, which can technically stack to give you a full year of free access. For a quick bonus tip, keep an eye on official OpenAI launch events. During the release of new models like GPT 5.4, they often drop flash codes on their social media that give the first 10,000 users a free month of service to test the new features. If you face any difficulty with these referral links or the educator verification, please leave a comment below. I am staying active on this video, and I will reply to you within 1 hour to help you troubleshoot. If this guide helped you save $240 this year, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your AI experience is about to get a lot more powerful, so go start prompting.